The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Loosen the center panel frame. Use a 10mm socket to remove the bolt on the side panel. Remove the side panel. Remove the side panel. Remove the 3 bolts on the footwell panel. Remove the panel. The housing door has 4 screws. Use a T20 Torx screwdriver with extension to remove these screws. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1198 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards you. You can rotate the filter as needed, but ultimately the hard sides need to be on the top and bottom, with the pleats vertical. Move the housing door into place and reinstall the screws. Reinstall the footwell panel and replace the bolts. Reinstall the side panel. You will need to lift the center panel frame to properly install the side panel. Reinstall the bolt. Reattach the center panel frame. Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.